interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for southern Dallas County. Stand by just a second, please. Southeastern Dallas County, northern Kaufman County, and Rockwall counties until 9:45. A band of heavy thunderstorms has been moving very slowly across the metroplex from northwest to southeast, but at this point the storms are nearly stationary along this particular cold front that we're seeing right now. The Doppler weather radar indicates thunderstorms producing heavy rain across southern Dallas County and Rockwall County. 1.5 to 2 inches of rain has already fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is either ongoing or expected shortly in southeastern Dallas County, northwestern Kaufman County, and Rockwall County until 9:45. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.